I've been looking for my wife all morning. I was gonna go riding today. What? Oh, there she is.
Hi.
Hi.
I am getting ready to show a little demonstration of the TRIO standard mini mount for our Starlink. So we can take our Starlink Mini and put it on the windshield. Basically anywhere you can suction, this mount will work great. We can take it in our Lexus and suction it up against our Lexus sunroof. But today I'm going to show you it against the windshield and how easy it is to install it. I'm not going to do the cords right now. This is just to demonstrate just how easy it is. So I'm going to stick it up against here. You give a little push and you just push these little outer button things.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And it'll suction nice. As soon as the white goes away, you're in like Flynn, and that baby's not moving. And then I'm going to take my Starlink Mini and I'm going to pop it in there like such. Boom. It's so easy. And a lot of times when we're riding, we'll open the windshield up. Whoops.
Just push it up, yeah.
And we can have a little air. We can push it up even more like that.
That would get good service like that.
What I want you to note is there's a gap here, which is really important for the Starlink Mini because they will run hot. And then this curved part of the mount is to accommodate for windshields that are curved. This one's not too curved, but it'll accommodate and suction to those as well. Nice. So great product by TRIOFlatmounts.com. This is your standard mini mount.
Yeah, so you could just get the link down below.
Perfect.
All right, thank you.